The wind blows my hair, you're not going to see anything. What's up, y'all? Let's do my hair. We're going to be installing some clip-ins. The brand of clip-ins are from this brand right here, Lachey. I've had clip-ins from them before, so I'm excited to put these in because the last time that I installed clip-ins from them, I had two different types of clip-ins because they came out with a newer version of their clip-ins because they wanted to make them very seamless. And when I say seamless, I mean, like, girl, if the wind blows and blows your hair back, you're not going to be able to tell that you have clip-ins in. So I love the fact that they've upgraded their weft. So this is what it looks like, just a close-up of it. The wefts look really, really nice and very seamless. This is what the clips look like, and the texture of this hair is Yaki straight, and the length is 18 inches, and that is perfect because I just want to add a little like length and also a little bit more fullness. So I straighten my hair to the best of my ability, girl. It could be straighter, however, we're gonna make it work, okay? So let's see, how many clip-ins do it come with? It comes with, it doesn't tell me, but I know it's 110 grams. But here's all the clip-ins, and they also threw in some additional clips, and I love that because, girl, sometimes these little clips, they do come off because they're sewn on, but I love the fact that they threw in some extra ones just in case that happens. So they are different lengths. When I mean different lengths, means the placement of these clip-ins are very important because, like, this one right here would typically like probably go in the middle somewhere. So I'm going to show you guys the placement and everything like that, especially if you're new to wearing clip-ins. Like, you have your smaller clip-ins right here that will go in the front. So this texture is definitely going to match well with my hair. Let's go ahead and get into installing them. This pack of clip-ins came with 7 different pieces, so these right here are the same size, and I'm going to go ahead and start out with one of these in the back. So what I'm going to do is just part my hair. Let's see. I'm just doing another pass through my hair because it is just a little puffy from the humidity when I went out. So what you do is just unclip the clip-ins, and the place where you parted your first part, you want to just, I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see what I'm doing. You're just going to slide the clip in and close it. Slide it in, close it, slide it in, close it. So our first row is installed, and that looks good. So I'm just gonna comb it so it can all blend together. Oh, I'm gonna take the longer one because I feel like, yeah, this is gonna stretch longer across. Depending on how you're gonna wear your hair, meaning whether you're gonna wear a side part or a middle part, or even half up, half down, ponytail or whatnot, it determines where you place the clip-ins. Meaning, if I am doing a side part, I'm going to place more clip-ins on this side to make sure it's full. If I'm doing a middle part, I'll try to do the most, like, do it even on each side. If I'm doing just a high ponytail, I will probably put the clip-ins in going this way instead of going to the side. So it just determines, like, but that's one of the things that I love about clip-ins is the fact that you can just move the clip-ins around if you want to do a different style. See how much length that has added? Looks so good and just like so natural. So what I'm gonna do is just put like one big curl at the end. As you can see, it's already got like a little bend in it. However, I'm just gonna do one like little curl just to refresh that bend and make sure everything is going the same direction. So we did that. So this is what everything is looking like. I'm going to put a little oil on my hair just to make sure everything is blending. All right, so I'm gonna do my makeup and we're gonna slick my edges down when I get back. But this is what we're looking like. It looks so good and just so natural and just simple. This is the finished look. I love how it turned out. Like, I am a lover of clip-ins. If only I could get my natural hair to just stay from getting so frizzy. Like clip-ins, me and clip-ins would be like this all the time, but I can only like wear them for like a good week and then I have to like redo my hair because my hair puffs out so bad. But other than that, like, I love me some clip-ins. And these right here, baby, if the wind blows my hair, you're not going to see anything. You're not going to see anything at all. And I love the fact that I can put this in a ponytail if I want to. Let me show you how you can rock you a ponytail.